Price to sell. Seller is also offering $5,000 seller credit for a carpet/decorating allowance with an acceptable offer. 3-bedroom condo in Fairway Villas. The first floor offers a great room and dining area that opens to a private fenced patio with storage. The kitchen overlooks a private wooded area. The laundry area is located on the first floor along with a primary bedroom and full bath. The second floor has 2 bedrooms, one being an additional primary bedroom with ensuite bathroom. The neighborhood features a pool with clubhouse, playground, tennis court, and minutes to the Virginia Capitol Trail, great for biking, walking, running, or bird or wildlife watching.